Convert JS object to JSON string. If I defined an object in JS with var j equals name bintion, how can I convert the object to JSON? The output string should be name bintion. All current browsers have native JSON support built in, so as long as you're not dealing with prehistoric browsers like IE6/7, you can do it just as easily as json.stringify. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.